So as a homeowner, there are a couple things you can do to ensure the life of your garage door and make sure it's running optimally before you have a garage door technician come out and do a full inspection of your door. What we recommend is that you maintain your door every 6 to 8 months. Generally, it's every passing season, so like the spring and the fall. Some of the things that you'll want to do to maintain your door is go through all the moving parts. If you think about it, a garage door is a lot like your car. You wouldn't run a car for over a year without getting an oil change. Kind of the same thing with a garage door. So what you do, you go to the moving parts, kind of like your hinges here, your springs, the track radius, and the rail of your opener. When you go in those, you'll want to get a can of lubrication. The big thing that you want to take into note with that is that you don't want silicone-based lubrication because that will cause more grinding in these moving parts. So what you'll go into each one of these points I mentioned, and just want to give a generous amount of lubrication in those to ensure that it's properly working. So when you go to lube your hinges here, you'll want to get in the individual parts where these rollers will move. And once you're done with your hinge, you'll go to your track, spray where the roller meets the track up into that radius. When you go to spray your spring, this one you can be very generous with the lubrication. Spray all across it, try and get all sides. It's been shown that by doing this, you can prolong the life cycle of your spring by at least a couple hundred more life cycles if you're doing this continually every 6 to 8 months. The last one is that little metal piece up there, what we call the trolley. If you can get a little lubrication in there as well, that will help keep the noise of your door down as well, as that is constantly moving up and down the rail and can cause a grinding sound.